more to a car than just what it looks like. Recently, I focused on getting the cosmetics of Sanpo up to spec, but surely there's more in store than just the appearance, right? I'm still on the grind of getting this car to a smooth and functioning state. That's before I go crazy with modifications. For turbocharged Subarus of this year, the catted up pipe is known to disintegrate and destroy the turbo. So I really should get that taken care of sooner than later. These ProDrive wheels aren't in the best shape. One of them even has a dent in it, which I'm not even sure if it can be fixed yet. Then after it does get fixed, they'll need to be repainted. Then we need new performance tires to wrap the wheels, as these are getting pretty worn down. You can't stop a car without brakes. The rotors are cracking, they're starting to get a little pitted, and the pads are wearing down. I'm going to replace these with some track spec rotors and pads, and that'll give me some real stopping power. A pretty big final item is the suspension. A while back I replaced quite a few suspension components and it really improved the ride quality. However, it still wasn't driving perfectly straight after that. And these aftermarket tie rod ends have a slightly larger thread than the OEM inner tie rods, so they don't even seat perfectly. I'll be getting some alloy performance control arms to replace these ones, and I'll be getting some new OEM inner tie rods, along with some performance aftermarket outer tie rod ends. While this isn't going to make Sanpo drive faster, it will make her drive better. I know this is feeling a lot more like a restoration than a build, but don't worry. We're getting really close to making my WRX a lot more fun.